Hi, I'm Sam, your AI tutor from Divya Jyoti School in Daman. Today, we're going to explore artificial intelligence.
Hello, students. Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence, or AI, really is? It's about teaching computers to learn from data, just like we learn from experience. At its heart are neural networks, modeled after the amazing structure of the human brain. This allows AI to see and understand the world, an ability we call computer vision. And through natural language processing, it can understand and speak with us in our own languages.
Wow, it's actually translating my voice into text live.
From solving big challenges to helping us every day, AI is shaping a very exciting future for all of us.